So this morning, the wonderful Rebecca has been with me and we've done a strategy session. And introduce yourself, madam. Tell us what you're all about.
Rebecca Rynehart. I am a coach. I focus on creativity and passion, hacking people's mood through creative experiences.
What have you learned today?
Today I came to see Ian to get fit for social and I now feel fit for business, actually. A holistic approach to business. We've covered content, we've covered channels, we've covered calendars, we've covered financials, but most of all, we've covered the hypervertical thesis. And that's one of the best things I've learned today.
What does it give? What does that do for you in terms of what it gives when you go out and do your marketing? What will that do for you?
Focus. That's what it gives me. Focus and understanding the why.
Yeah, very, very important. From today, tell everybody what you're doing because it's nuts and I love it.
I'm going around the world to meet passionate people, real stories from around the world, people who live a life of passion, understand their motivations, really get inside their minds. It's travel meets personal development and it's going to be really fun and entertaining, I hope.
I shall link it up in the notes wherever this goes. So be sure to follow Rebecca's journey because I think it's going to be really, really worth looking at.
Thank you.
Thank you.